Metaverse coins continues to dominate the cryptocurrency scene as many projects continues to see incredible price increases this week. In this video, I'm going to list to you 5 Metaverse coins that have gained over 20% in price over the past 24 hours. The Metaverse coins I list here are ordered by 24 hours price gain, lowest to highest. World is an immersive 5D metaverse built on top of Ethereum. It features a full functional metaverse market that allows users to purchase a variety of items such as cars, sneakers, buildings, and much more. World aims to be the first true liquid, decentralized, and community-ready NFT marketplace. World is a native token to the World ecosystem that is used to interact with their marketplace and govern the World DAO. World announced yesterday that Child Knight, the former head of 3D design at Nike, joined the World team as a head of cyberware. It's clear that the recent news got the market excited as the World price went up over 20%, current trading at $6.31. World has a total supply of 500 million with a circulating supply of 76.3 million. You can purchase World on KuCoin, Uniswap, Gate.io, and a few other smaller exchanges. Illuvium is a blockchain-based open-world RPG fantasy game built on top of Ethereum. It's known as the first AAA game on Ethereum blockchain, which is one of the reasons for its high valuation. Illuvium features a futuristic landscape where players can embark on a journey and capture creatures called Illuviors. The game includes a battle arena that allows users to earn ILV simply by playing. Players can assemble the Illuviors rosters and challenge others to be the best. In recent news, Illuvium raised $2 million in strategy funding round from Polmos Investment Group, which is one of the main reasons for ILV's price rise. The beta version of Illuvium is scheduled to be released in Q1 2022, and Polmos is looking to accelerate user adoption on platform by building a multi-layered network of players. ILV has a total supply of 7 million with a circulating supply of 642,000. The top exchanges by volume for ILV are Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, Poloniex, and SushiSwap. At the time of this video, ILV's market capital is at $851 million. Effinit token. Effinit is Engine's metaverse project that features a next-generation blockchain for digital assets built on Polkadot. Engine was founded in 2009 and has since reached over 20 million gamers worldwide. ENG established itself as a major player in the NFT world with the highly active marketplace. With many crypto projects pivoting towards integrating with the metaverse, it comes as no surprise that Engine launched Effinity. Since Engine established itself as a leader in the NFT space, many investors are betting on Infinity's success in 2022. One of the main reasons for Infinity's recent price hike is the most likely due to the team's recent announcement allocating 200M EFI, roughly $360 million, to reward Infinity crowdload participants. Dedicating such a large amount to give back to the community is a sure way to drive up demand and price for EFI. EFI has a total supply of 2 billion with a circulating supply of 169 million. The top exchanges to purchase EFI includes Gate.io, CoinList Pro, Poloniex, OKX, Crypto.com, and Uniswap. At the time of this video, EFI's market capital is at $304 million. Blockchain Monster Hunt (BCMC). Blockchain Monster Hunt is the first multi-chain NFT Monster Hunt game on the market. You can find and hunt scarce NFTs while increasing your catch power, which allows you to catch very rare monsters and boost your chances of success. Blockchain Monster Hunt also features a token called the BCMC. The token is used to governance, insurance, and to interact with the BCMC's metaverse. The best part about Blockchain Monster Hunt is that users can select their favorite chain to play on, reduce congestion on any single chain. BCMC hosted an open beta on the weekend by testnet on November 8th, which is now closed. On November 22nd, Blockchain Monster Hunt's official Twitter provided a screenshot with a sneak peek for testnet version 2, which looked amazing. With a successful beta testnet launch and a unique approach to blockchain-based games, Blockchain Monster Hunt's current market capital of $41 million is extremely undervalued to similar projects. Moreover, most of development and upgrades to BCMC are planned to happen in 2022, which makes the great long-term hold. BCMC has a total supply of 1 billion with a circulating supply of 12.3 million. The top exchanges to purchase BCMC includes Gate.io, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Swap, Sushi Swap, and Quick Swap. At the time of this video, BCMC's market capital is at $40 million. Deepcoin, DEP. According to its official website, Deepcoin describes itself as a next-generation entertainment company that will create a new economy and culture with entertainment and asset in the digital age based on blockchain technology. Some of the Deep services includes Play Mining, a platform that allows users to earn rewards for enjoying games and manga. NFT Marketplace, a full-fledged NFT marketplace by DEP, where you can auction, buy and sell your digital collections. Deepcoin, the main cryptocurrency used for Play Mining platform. Play Mining has a variety of games to choose from. If you're interested in exploring blockchain-based games, I would highly recommend to check them out. With a market capital of $163 million and a 24 trading volume of $46 million, it's clear that the market is excited about DEP. With the recent price hike, DEP ranks on the top of 397th cryptocurrencies on the market. DEP has a total supply of 30 billion, with a circulating supply of 3.26 billion. The top exchanges to purchase DEP includes Bittrex, OKEX, Indodax, Uniswaps, and PancakeSwap. At the time of this video, DEP's market capital is at $174 million. Please consider subscribing to this channel.